Which 3-ton floor jack is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're going to explore 5 top options that might be just what you need.
Product number 1. Amazon Basics Steel Jack Stands. The Amazon Basics Steel Jack Auto Stands. What caught my attention is the easy-to-use design and solid steel construction, priced affordably. If you want reliable support for your sedan or urban SUV, this is worth a serious look. These jack stands have a 3-ton capacity, which means they can handle up to 6,000 pounds. The self-locking ratchet makes it super easy to adjust the height, reaching a max of 16.34 inches. This is crucial when you're working on your vehicle, giving you peace of mind that it won't slip while you're under it. Plus, the durable, rust-proof coating ensures that these will last you a long time, even with regular use. Just look at those 5,000-plus units sold recently. Clearly, people trust this. Now, some people complained about the lack of a locking key, which can be a concern for those who really want extra security. Here's the thing though, the self-locking mechanism is designed to meet safety standards, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you're a car owner looking for a solid, no-frills jack stand. Skip this one if you're working on larger vehicles or need something more industrial. Honestly, for the price, this is a solid value. Now, if the Amazon Basics lacks some heavy-duty features for your needs, let's check out the next one that promises a lift with a bit more flair.
Product number 2. IBKink's 12-Egg Incubator. We have the IBKink's 12-Egg Incubator, retailing for $34.28. At this price point, it really caught my eye with its user-friendly features and compact design. If you're tight on budget but still want to hatch quail eggs, this is definitely worth checking out. This incubator boasts constant temperature and humidity control, which means you can set it and forget it while still ensuring optimal conditions. The LED display is easy to read, and it's designed to refill water from the outside without needing to open the lid, keeping temperatures stable. Why is this important? Well, with a stable environment, you're significantly reducing the risk of failed hatches. Plus, the automatic egg turning feature improves hatch rates and mimics natural conditions, which is ideal for quail. Some users pointed out that the 12-egg capacity can be limiting for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or want a smaller scale setup, this is a great choice without overwhelming you. This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward that doesn't require constant attention. Skip this one if you need to hatch larger batches regularly. For the price, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little extra technology.
Product number 3. JackBoss Low-Profile Floor Jack. Let's talk about the JackBoss 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Priced at $169.99, this jack combines aluminum and steel for a solid build. If you're looking for something that can handle a variety of vehicles, this one's worth considering. This jack has a 3-ton capacity, lifting up to 6,600 pounds, and fits perfectly with a lifting range from 3 3/16 inches to 18 5/16 inches. This low profile means you can easily get under those slammed cars without a hassle. The dual pistons allow for quick lifting, and the wide rubber saddle protects your vehicle from scratches, which is a relief. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction among users. However, the weight of 58.5 pounds might be a little cumbersome for some, especially if you need to carry it around a lot, but the sturdiness it provides outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable jack for various vehicles, including sedans and SUVs. Skip this if you want something super lightweight for portability. For its capability, this jack offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more innovative, the next product offers a unique twist.
Product number 4. Powerbuilt All-in-One Car Lift. The Powerbuilt 3-ton Unijack, which combines a bottle jack and jack stand in one. At $95.98, this design is pretty clever and might just meet your needs perfectly. If you want versatility, this one delivers. With its 6,000-pound capacity and a lift range from 11 to 21 inches, it's perfect for SUVs and trucks. One of the standout features is the built-in ratcheting safety bar, which ensures your vehicle stays securely lifted. This is a game changer for those who want peace of mind while working under their vehicles. The wide base also adds stability, which is crucial if you're working on softer surfaces. It's no wonder over 1,000 of these have been sold recently. However, some reviews mention that it can be a bit tricky to maneuver at times. Here's the thing though, Once you get used to it, the stability it offers is incredibly reassuring. This is perfect for you if you're someone who regularly works on SUVs or trucks and needs a sturdy option. Skip this if you prefer a traditional jack-only design. Given its dual functionality, it's a solid investment for anyone looking for flexibility. Finally, if you want something that's easy to handle but still packs a punch, the last product on our list has got you covered.
Product number 5, Vevor Low Profile Floor Jack. We have the Vevor 2.5-ton low profile floor jack. Priced at $64.31, it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. If you're looking for something that can easily lift family cars or trucks without breaking the bank, this could be a great choice. With a load capacity of 5,500 pounds, it offers a lifting range from 3.35 inches to 14.96 inches. This range is perfect for most vehicles, letting you handle maintenance tasks comfortably. The heavy-strength steel construction ensures durability, and the rubber saddle provides maximum protection for your vehicle. Plus, the easy maneuverability with steel wheels makes it user-friendly, even in tight spaces. It's no surprise that over 800 of these have sold recently. However, some users did mention that it might not be as sturdy as more expensive models. But here's the upside. For day-to-day lifting tasks, it absolutely does the job. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer on a budget and need something reliable for everyday use. Skip this if you're looking for something heavy-duty for commercial use. For the price and functionality, you really can't go wrong here. So, to wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 great 3-ton floor jacks, the Amazon Basics for basic needs, the DNA motoring for low-profile access, the Jack Boss for a robust build, the Powerbuilt for dual functionality, and the Vevor for budget-friendly reliability. Each jack has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.